Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to place trades with a NinjaTrader Chart Trader. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up the NinjaTrader desktop application. Then from there, go ahead and click on New and then choose Chart. Now it says instrument, go ahead and choose your instrument. So I'm going to go ahead and do crypto and I'm going to do Bitcoin USD and then I'm going to click OK. Now the Bitcoin chart should appear. Just give it a few seconds to load. Okay, so you can see it has now appeared. Now the first thing what we need to do is go ahead and turn on Chart Trader. So click on this little icon here, Chart Trader, and then click on Chart Trader. Now we've got options here to buy market, buy ask, sell ask, buy bid, sell bid, rev, and close. Now, before placing anything, go ahead and check your account. So make sure you've selected the correct account. Also, make sure you've selected the correct instrument. Now, for this demonstration, I'm going to buy a market. So I'm going to go ahead and click on buy market. And then it's going to say buy market 1 contracts, BTC to account. So this is just a demo account here. I'm just going to disable order confirmation. And now that's going to buy market. Now, for this, I might get this error code, so you probably won't get this. This is just for demonstrations showing how to buy a market. We can also buy ask or buy bid. Now, if you want to go ahead and buy ask, go ahead and click on buy ask and then also buy bid as well.